Video training on horizontal blinds.
Horizontal blinds are the most common window covering. They feature horizontal slats, which typically come in 1-inch and 2-inch widths. Rolled up from the bottom, as opposed to sideways, horizontal blinds lift via cord and pulley system and are capable of tilting for convenient light control.
Right here on this display area, we actually have all the different types of horizontal blinds that we sell. The whole top row right here are wood. See, the actual material that's used in the blind is the actual wood. Then the second row, we have, these are all aluminum, see? Aluminum slats of different sizes. And then the bottom row has what's called faux wood. Faux wood is, the word faux is a nice word for fake.
Let's recap. We sell a wide array of different window treatment options. Of our horizontals, we offer hardwood blinds, which include genuine premium quality basswood, aluminum, which includes polished and perforated aluminum slats, and faux wood. Faux woods are composite slats, which come in smooth and embossed, an economical alternative to genuine hardwood.
So the ones we sell the most are the real wood and the faux wood, or imitation. They also call it imitation wood, okay, on the bottom row. The other big thing is the sizes of the slats. So for example, this is a 2-inch slat, okay? Notice how it's different from this one. This is a 1-inch slat, and this here actually is a 2.5-inch slat, okay? So you can order horizontal blinds in 1-inch, 2-inch, or 2.5-inch, okay? That's a big deal right there. And same thing goes for aluminum. You can have a 2-inch like this one, or you can have the 1-inch. Okay. This is yet another material, PVC, like verticals. It's not aluminum, it's not faux wood, and it's not wood. It's actually PVC. Okay. Next, let's get into the mounting. The mounting. When you order a horizontal blind, you have to tell us how are you going to mount the blind. In other words, like in this opening right here, are you going to mount the blind inside of the opening, or are you going to mount it outside? If you're going to mount it outside, then we don't make any deductions. We just make it the size that you give us. But if you're going to mount it inside, like inside of this opening right here, if we make it to the same size that you give us, it can be hard to actually put in. It can rub, it can damage the wall a little bit, it may be forced to go in, so we make a little deduction. And the inside's called IB, inside bracket. So inside's called IB, and then outside is called OB.
Okay, that's a lot, but extremely important, so pay attention. The mount is essentially where you will hang your new blind. Inside mount means your new blind would be installed inside of the windowsill for a fitted flush look. We, the factory, will take deductions to ensure fit. The customer should measure the exact window casing size up to the closest 1/8 of an inch. Outside mount means the blind will hang directly onto the door or wall outside or beyond a standard window casing. Here's a photo for reference.
So if you order a blind you're going to mount outside, then the dealer decides how much they want to add to the opening. They can decide, I want to add 1 inch on each side so it hangs overlaps by 1 inch on each side, or 2 inches. It's totally up to them. And we don't have to make any deductions because it's going to go outside. But if you're going to mount it inside, you got to tell us IB, or inside bracket. And so for example, if the dealer measures this opening and it's 24 inches, we're not going to make it 24 inches. We're going to make it 24 inches minus a deduction. And the deduction is different for each type of product. It's in our price list.